Add a cool star effect to your photos with Adobe Photoshop. Let's learn how using a simple custom brush in this quick tip from Envato Tuts Plus. Start with a great selfie. Here, I'll be using this beautiful stock from Envato Elements, but feel free to use your own photos for this tutorial. Now create the star brush. Open a new document at any size in Adobe Photoshop. Then select the Custom Shape tool. Select the star option from the drop-down menu and create a large black star. To turn this new shape into a Photoshop brush, select the rectangular marquee tool and create a selection around the star. Then go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and name your new brush. Test it out on a new layer by selecting the Brush tool and click on the canvas a few times. When you're happy with the star effect, open your new photo. You can now use this star brush to create elaborate, sparkly crowns and designs all around your model. So create a new layer and select the Brush tool. Adjust the size of the brush. Use the left or right bracket keys to make it smaller or larger. Then begin adding new white stars to the portrait. Experimentation is key here, and depending on the photo, you might want to either vary the size of the stars or change the direction for the best result. For more help, I've also included a quick PNG version of this crown, along with the written portion of this tutorial, so make sure you download it just in case you'd like to use this exact crown shape. Now let's add some color. Right-click the layer and go to Blending Options. Add a sunny, gradient color overlay first, then follow it up with an orange outer glow with the following settings. Finish the effect with a slight white stroke of 2 pixels to help sharpen the edges. Here's the result so far. For a more intense look, select the star layer and hold Ctrl-J to create a duplicate for a nice glow. You can make your model look even more radiant by adding a few tiny stars right at the end. Just lower the brush size and use the eraser tool whenever necessary to clean up the sides. Here's my final effect. Feel free to keep the colors as is, but keep in mind that you can also hide your gradient overlay settings for a bright, monochromatic look. Try these tips and share your results. Stay tuned for more tutorials from all of us at Envato Tuts Plus.